Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing the Butter London tutorial, the first one. Not sure what I want to do. There's the colors again. I do have my ring light on just so the lighting's a little better. Why don't we just go ahead and just start real quick. I do have a Wet n Wild blending brush I'm going to use. I'm going to dip into the Temptress shade, this shade right here. I'm going to do it very light though, just because it's a lot of pigment. Alright, let's go ahead and just blend this into the crease. Yeah, see, this is why I don't really go based off swatches, because this is why. I am looking into, because I'm filming on my phone, so I'm looking into my phone while I'm doing this, just so I can see what I'm doing. Alright, so we're just going to blend this into the crease and on the outer corner. I don't want it too dark though. And I'm going to just be doing a minimal little look today because I don't need a bunch of makeup on because I'm not going nowhere. Hold on one second. Let me stop this movie because I don't want to get copywritten. Then I'm just going to blend out. There we go. Okay, let me get the other side real quick. I'm not that good at makeup, I will admit that. I do try as hard as I can. And I am working on it, but you know. Anyone who's ever done makeup before know it takes some time. But if you just blend and blend and blend, eventually it will work out. The only issue I have is like trying to get the sides to match, like in darkness and stuff. That's what I have an issue with. Now it is a little patchy, and I don't know if that's because I have really dry eyes right now because it's super dry where I live because of the weather. It is just so cold. But we're just gonna have to work with it. There we go. That click was my heater kicking on because it is cold. Like I said. It's like 30 degrees out right now and I'm not happy with it. I am going to drag a little bit down on my bottom lash line, just whatever is left on my brush. There we go. I'm going to grab a tiny bit more, dust it off. There we go. That's what I want. Tiny bit more. And you always want to make sure to connect it. You don't want any weird disconnecting everything. And then I think with my finger, I'm just going to take the shade, I guess I'm going to take the shade Diva right here and just put that all over my lid. There we go. And sorry for the angle, I am filming on my phone. Once I have enough money to get a camera, I will be getting a new camera. I'm going to use this for the highlight in the corner too. That is actually a very pretty shade. Let's go ahead and get mascara on real quick. So for mascara today, sorry I was out of frame. For mascara today, I'm just going to go ahead and use the Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced. And I don't curl my lashes because, one, I don't have a curler, and look at that. Yay, very glad that happened. There. And I also don't put mascara on my bottom lashes because my eyes water really bad and it always runs. I haven't been able to find a mascara that doesn't run. Hold on, let me move my hair. But this is a really good black mascara. Alright. So there is the eye look. And it just took 2 shades. It is a very minimalistic eye look. This side I did blend kind of weird. Here, let's just... There we go. Alright. There we go. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.